What is this? इसमें मेरी रैंडम चीज़ें किसने डाली हैं? I literally have the biggest box filled with my product empties. Let's do a rundown of them in no particular order. Let's go. First up, we have the Love Beauty and Planet Curry Leaves and Biotin Conditioner. I love it. ये लगा के literally your hair will become so soft. Trust me, you need this for yourself. Next up is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA. Oh my god, this is the best BHA. It is very pricey, but this makes your skin so freaking good. Texture literally goes away. If you have a budget, try investing into the mini one. This will last you a very long time. You need a few drops, just pat it on your face, and trust me, it is so freaking good. Next up, we have the Body Shop Vitamin C Scrub. This is a physical scrub. This is kind of mild, a little bit milder than all the other physical scrubs. So अगर कोई physical scrub लेना है, I would recommend you to buy this one. Next up, we have the Foxtail Hydrating Body Wash. Foxtail has been really doing some good launches lately, and the body wash is one of them. This smells super good. I love the packaging. Although the body lotion packaging I don't like. इसमें से at least पूरा body wash आ गया, but the body lotion just does not come out too much. Next up, we have the Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On. I think I talked about this in the last empties, I'm not sure. Then we have the Biore makeup remover. This literally melts away your entire makeup so easily, so effortlessly. ये travel size है. I think if I want to buy a oil-based cleanser, I would definitely buy that. Then we have the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. I gave it to my mom. My mom absolutely loved it. She finished it. It's the classic best moisturizer. We have another empty, which is the Garnier Micellar Water. You know, I have used literally hundreds of these, so it's not a surprise that this is here. Then we have the St. Ives Cleanser Gentle like Neem Face Wash. So freaking good, very mild, perfect for everyday use. Then we have, I gave this to my mom, which is the Neutrogena Visible Repair Retinol Cream. She loved it. I am using the serum for this, and it's really good. Like if you really want a good retinol at a great price, then this is the one. I have finished the Be Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protectant Hair Mist. One of the best heat protectant at a budget. Definitely try it out. I think I also have a few more of these, to be honest. Then I have finished one more of the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Look at it. Literally the best. Very expensive, but oh my god, if you wear makeup on every single day basis, you need this. You get a smaller pack of this as well. So yeah. Next up, we have the Argan Oil and Lavender 2-minute mask from Love Beauty and Planet. I trust this brand like blindly with my entire heart. Like, you know that this product is gonna be so freaking good. Just buy it guys. Your hair will thank you for it. Next up, we have the Schwarzkopf Bonacure Hair Spray Moisture Kick Spray. This is really good if you have like dry hair. I just like to spray it out and my hair gets moisturized. It is perfect before styling as well. I finished 2 bottles of these and I absolutely love this. Next up, we have the Anomalies Clarifying Shampoo. ये पूरा black color का आता है. I freaking love this product. I bought one more because I have to use it because I really heat style my hair on a weekly basis. So that is why I always have it in my shower. Next up, we have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid B5. This is a really good hyaluronic acid serum. Love this for my face. I think I'm currently using the Beauty of Joseon Rice one. But yeah, this one is also good. Highly recommend. Next up, we have Laneige, which is the Cream Skin Peptide Toner. Like it, but I won't say love it. बहुत कम quantity मिलती है. I would recommend you to buy the Tony Moly, like the Mochi toner. I love that. I freaking love that. And it is a big bottle, so I think it will last you for like months and months and months on end. And then we have the Bui Body Wise 5% niacinamide body wash. Again, like it. I won't say like I'm obsessed with it. I have been using other like AHA, BHA based body washes. This is also a good one. I won't say the absolute best one, but yeah, it does the job really well and it is really affordable. So I would highly recommend you to check it out. Again, with this, I feel like you want to use it for a longer periods of time to see a difference. If you stop using it, you will, get the acne again. So yeah. So those were all the empties which I had. Let me know if I should do like these empties on a routine or basis in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.